I mean, you could use carrots for hummus, but really, crackers are so much better.
You know, they always come pre-prepared.
Okay. Hummus. Ugh.
I feel like I know how to do this.
I'm just gonna cut the top off.
I'm just gonna cut something. Oh, my finger! Oh. No? Okay, great.
Do this to each side.
Wait a minute.
Who doesn't buy their carrots already shaved?
So I'm just gonna cut it.
I mean, I would just eat it like this.
That's really good. Was I supposed to peel it?
First, take off these stalks on the end.
Do you want to take the peel off?
You cut it straight down. Just put these in thirds.
You want them to be strong enough to, like, move the hummus towards the face.
I'm just sort of cutting slightly diagonal so that, like, you can actually get more hummus on it.
You can go on ahead and dip in there.
Just look at that, all in the hummus.
That cannot be right. If this is what Bugs Bunny was eating, I don't know what that guy was into.
So I'm gonna peel this first. Okay. This is a relatively thin carrot, so what I like to do when I'm dealing with a vegetable like this is cut it into manageable sized pieces. Then I'm gonna judge how many pieces I wanna cut it into based on the size. So straight down, slice through, and I'm gonna cut that in half. Okay. And relatively even.
The perfect carrot.
I can't eat it. I don't like it. I might barf or whatever.
Just like that? I'm sorry.